so hard.
And I hope I'm not alone. It's
Not a life of love where it wasn't supposed.
the city's gonna break.
Everything means nothing if I can't have you.
Hey guys, so it is currently 12 o'clock and I'm now in my bathing suit and I'm now actually about to head out to the backyard and swim in the pool and all that stuff. And so yes, now I'm going to grab my stuff and head on out to the backyard to go swim in the pool and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that is my update. I guess I will update you guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so right now we just got done with swimming in the pool and I had so much fun. So yeah, so we've been just hanging out outside and just hanging out relaxing and you guys have not missed much. And so yes, now we're gonna hang out, relax, and just chill and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna head outside, be with everybody and all that stuff. So with that being said, my update guys, I will update you guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time is now 2:45 and I'm now in my room and I came in here because I needed to get out of my bathing suit and just put on a comfy outfit and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna change out of my bathing suit and put on a comfy outfit and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that is my update and I guess I will update you guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so right now I'm now all dressed. I just put on a t-shirt and some shorts and I'm now going to hang out with everybody and just hang out outside and just hang out, relax and just chill and hang out outside and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna grab my stuff and head on out and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, my update guys, I will update later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time is now 4:47 and I'm now all dressed and ready for dinner and I just got done with getting ready and so yes now I'm gonna hang out with everybody and just hang out relax and pretty soon we're gonna head out and leave to go to dinner and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that is my update and I guess I will update you guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time is now 10:05 and we're now finally home. We just got home and so yes now we're gonna hang out, relax and just chill and hang out in the living room and just hang out, relax and all that stuff. And yeah, and I might have a snack, but you see though, and yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that is my update. I guess I will update you guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:58 and I just got done with getting ready and I have my bathing suit on. And so yeah, so pretty soon, within an hour or so, we're gonna head out and leave to go on the boat and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm going to just hang out, relax, and then pretty soon we're gonna head out and leave and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna update guys. I will update later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time is now 5:35 and we're now home from the boat ride and being at the beach, and oh my god, I had so much fun. So yes, now I'm gonna hang out in my room and just be my phone. Then pretty soon I'll hop in the shower and start getting ready for dinner and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna update guys. I will update guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so right now I just got out of the shower and I'm now all dressed and ready for dinner, and I'm now going to just hang out, relax, and just chill and all that stuff. And then pretty soon we're gonna head out and leave to go to dinner and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna hang out and chill and just be my friend. Then pretty soon we're gonna head out and leave. But with that being said, I'm gonna update guys. I will update guys later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is now 8:34 and we're now here at my aunt's house. We just got here, and so yes, now dinner was really good by the way, and yes, now we're all gonna hang out, relax, and just chill and hang out in the living room and just hang out and relax and all that stuff. And yeah, but anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna update guys. I will update you later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so right now we are now finally home from my aunt's house. We just got home, and so yes, now we're all gonna hang out, relax, and just chill and hang out in the living room and just hang out, relax. And I might have a snack, but you see though, and yeah, but anyways, with that being said, we're all gonna hang out, relax, and just chill and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna update guys. I will update later. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so I think that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. and follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below. And subscribe to my main channel as well. It will be linked down below. And comment down below some videos that I can do on this channel and also on my main channel. But with that being said, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog. Bye guys.